Hello guys, welcome back. In last two video I have explained you how to create a Flutter app in Android Studio or in VS Code. Now I tell you the one more better choice to create Flutter application. Once you use this command, you can create Flutter application similar to VS Code and Android Studio also. Or remember that after creating a project, you can open that project in VS Code also, or you can open that project in Android Studio also. And this command is, you can say, the Ramban type of command. Does not fail because all the VS Code and the Android Studio also use this command. So I prefer this command to create a Flutter application. You can also use this command and then you can open your project in VS Code or Android Studio. So I tell you that how to use Flutter create command to create project and how to open this created application in VS Code or Android Studio. So this is the same folder. I have deleted all the previous demo 1, demo 2 applications from here. So here I need to open CMD first of all. Command prompt I am opening in this folder. You can select your path where you want to create, and here just you have to write Flutter create, and here name is demo 1. So I am giving a demo 1. So I just prefer the name. So I give name and I press enter. You see that it will try to create the application called demo 1, you see, and it's saying go there in this directory and run Flutter run command. So it's a very simple. Just I have created the application and you see that this demo 1 is already created. Now how to open this here? Just here you have, this is the same structure which I have explained in previous video also. So one more thing here, if you want to open it in VS Code, just open here like this, the CMD, and here you write code dot. So code dot means automatically VS Code will open this project. Here you see it automatically opened under the VS Code. Simple one. Close this, open the library here. Remember that, go there. Now how to run this project in VS Code? Just open here a terminal, new terminal here, terminal will come here. So in the last video, I explained you just click here and it will execute your command. But sometime this is not able to execute your Flutter code because of the you can say linking problem. It not linked with the Flutter command, so it doesn't know all the command. So it depends on you now how to execute it. So this is the project and this is the by default project. Now how you can run, I just show you demo in VS Code writing a command. Just you write here Flutter run command. If you run this command here and press enter, if it automatically link, means if everything is okay and you click here also, the same command will execute. You see, now it asking you want to execute this on window or Chrome or Edge. And remember that if you have the emulator also, emulator is running in the memory, because right now emulator is not running. You have to open Android Studio or you have to execute the emulator first. So that emulator will also come here, that choice will also come here. But right now we have a window option, Chrome option, Edge option. Just you type here, I say I need to Chrome, so it will execute my application on Chrome. It's better to execute on Chrome because it's have a less requirement as compared to other Windows or Edge. So it will take time and it will execute your application on Chrome. If you have a Edge, you can click on third option. If you have Windows, you want to create a window application, then you can also use first option. It depends on you. Just you have to give the command Flutter run. We have another option also to execute. Just I will tell you later on. So it will execute your program or application in Chrome. You see this application is running and display here. If I click on button, so it do increment also. This is by default application in Flutter. So I'm closing it. Remember that I just do Control C also for closing this application. And like this, you can execute your application in VS Code also. Same thing. And in the next video, I will tell you that how to open this same project, this one demo 1, which is available in this directory in Android Studio, and how to run this project in different platform on Android Studio, on desktop, on emulator, on web. So I will explain in the next video how to run this on emulator or web. So that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching this.